GeoTown. I can't believe I finally arrived in GeoTown! Hi, my name is Arrow, and I'm so excited I'm joining the GeoTrax team of trains! I am so ready to roll! How can a train talk, you might want to know? Well, I have the latest TraxCom system. Cool, huh?
Race the rails, Arrow! This city is really something!
Oh, I almost forgot. This is my best friend and engineer, Eric. He helps me zoom down the tracks.
I can't wait to show the rest of the GeoTrax team what we can do, Arrow! Next up, Grand Central Station! TurboTrax, Arrow! Look at this place!
Our new home.
We'll let them know we've arrived. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't see you there.
Super sound waves! That zonked my noggin. You must be Arrow and Eric. I'm Bunsen.
And I am his train, Goggles.
You talk too?
But of course, Bunsen fitted me with the very first TraxCom system.
Listen and learn. You see, Goggles' science-erific system is geared to analyze and repair other engines. But I gave you, Arrow, an up-to-date version of the TraxCom system, since you're built for speed.
Speaking of speed, Bunsen buddy, when can we start on the job?
Oh, whoa there, slow down, Eric. Goggles and I will first get you up to speed with the GeoTrax team.
We're ready to roll.
Ah, one of my favorite creations, the Master Map. With it, we monitor all the GeoTrax trains. Remember, GeoTrax is a special team of trains and engineers that work together to keep GeoTown going. This is the Computronic Control Center, where we give every train their job of moving passengers and cargo.
Bunsen has programmed my systems to plot the best paths and best teams to get the jobs done.
Wow! Look at all those buttons! What does this one do?
That brushes my teeth. Great bubblegum, my favorite. Now from Grand Central, we go to all the other stations on the GeoTrax line. Say, there goes Sheffield and Jenkins on a passenger pickup. And you should meet a couple more GeoTrax trains. That's Bull and Bruno. No job is too tough for them. And that's...
Knight and Sir John! That team holds the GeoTrax speed record! Oh, you guys are legends! Would you race us? Oh, yeah, hi. I'm Eric, and that's my train, Arrow.
Yes, well, then you've got a lot to learn. First, that speed isn't everything. And second, that we don't do anything until after we've had our morning tea. And you've soggied my toast. Night! Thank you.
Did I hear someone say there's gonna be a race?
Well, maybe when Sir John finishes his tea.
Clickety-clack, we'll race you right now! Right, woohoo? He's ready to go!
Are we gonna race these guys?
Do I ever turn down a chance to go full throttle?
I like testing trains, but are you sure about this, Opie?
Yep, we finished all our jobs and we're ready to roll. What's the race?
I calculate the perfect course is to the suspension bridge and back. That seems perfectly fair.
So, this is no joke, right? Even though you know we love jokes.
You like jokes? I know a good one. Knock, knock.
Wait, don't tell me. Who's there?
Rock.
Rock who?
Rocket down the rails!
Did the race start?
In a word, yes.
Clickety-clack! We better get going!
Nice lad. But I worry about him.
I can't wait to show this town what we can do.
Think we can beat Knight and Sir John's speed record?
Only if we throttle it up!
My powers of observation show they're fast, very fast. But I wonder if they can learn to work well with their GeoTrax teammates.
Turn left, woohoo! I mean right. Yeah, I mean left. Right? Left. Right. No, left. Right.
We can't slow down, Arrow.
The signal's red, Eric. That means stop.
Hey, buddy, do you mind moving? We're having a race here.
Yeah. You like speed? Well, I like being tough. Maybe you should try hauling all this heavy cargo around to see if you can be tough and fast.
No problem. We're fast and tough, all right. Load us up.
Now, we're not lost. We're right here. Well, all right, then you pick a way to go. Okay, I'm right behind you. Oh, sorry about that. I thought you said whistle toot, but you said toot whistle.
By my calculations, Arrow's hauling too much cargo.
Carrying all this cargo is tough.
Race the rails, Arrow. We're about to hit the downhill.
Arrow, Eric, you have to slow down. You're headed towards the suspension bridge too fast.
I never carried this much cargo this fast. Maybe Bunsen is right.
You can do it, Arrow.
I'm not sure we can make it.
We can make it. We can make it. Oh! We can't make it.
We need to call Bunsen for help.
Mr. Bunsen, sir, we're in a little trouble here.
Correction, a lot of trouble.
It's all my fault. We need help.
Suffering circuit boards. Help's on the way.
Formulating Rescue Plan 3B. Downloading now.
Calling all GeoTrax teams. Team GeoTrax, all aboard!
Team GeoTrax!
All aboard!
Tip-top, train on tight. I know exactly what we need to solve this mess.
Arrow, I'm scared.
Me too, Eric. How are we gonna get out of this?
Whoa, what a wreck! We can clean up the cargo, but we need a double hitch to pull you back onto the tracks.
Well, where do we get that?
There's only one train in all GeoTrax with a double hitch, and that's
Us! Clickety-clack, we're ready. Pull, woohoo! Pull!
My calculations show that Woohoo is not strong enough to pull Arrow off the edge himself.
GeoTrax team, all pull together!
Hey, Arrow, we're safe.
Yeah, thanks to GeoTrax teamwork. Thanks, Woohoo. You're a great help when somebody needs a double hitch.
Okay, now that you're safe, we've got to finish the race.
Okay, you ready to roll, Arrow?
Ahem. Woohoo and Opie saved you. Now, shouldn't you be more of a team player?
Hey, Arrow, I have an idea. Maybe we should help Woohoo this time.
Trax-tastic thought, Eric. I'll show them the way to the finish line.
We did it, woohoo! We won! Clickety-clack, woohoo!
Hey, congratulations, guys.
Well, I think there's a bright future for you boys here with the GeoTrax team.
That means more to us, Sir John, than winning any race.
Well, Arrow and Eric, welcome to the GeoTrax team. Team GeoTrax, all aboard!
Team GeoTrax! All aboard!
Trax-tastic! Now we're ready to do our very first GeoTrax job.
Wow, I've really learned that being a great team member isn't about showing off. It's about everyone doing their best together. Right, Arrow?
Right. And it's great to be a part of the GeoTrax team!
Team GeoTrax! All aboard! Team GeoTrax!